Good day viewers, welcome back again to another video. In today's episode, we are going to be focusing on the starter motor on this car. And so the symptoms I've been getting on this car, after a long park or every morning I try to start up the car, it won't start on me. So I have to give it a couple of resets in order for me to start up the car. Let us go ahead and try to fix this issue. Stay tuned. This fix only applies for you if your car is having clicking sound when you are trying to start up the car. And job complete. I hope you find this video useful, and please do like, share and subscribe this channel to make it grow, and I will see you again on next video. Peace.